Everyone, so in our previous class we learned how we can configure the DHCP. So in that one we are using the DHCP server separately, but now what I will do, I will delete this one. Okay, now we are going to learn how I can configure the DHCP in this switch. So before that one, let me click all the machine as a static here. All the computer can release the IP. Then we are going to configure the DHCP in the layer 2 switch. So in this class we are going to learn how we can configure the DHCP in this layer 2 switch. So see here, this is a basic switch. What I will do here, first of all I will assign the IP inside the VLAN. So I will say interface VLAN 1. I will write here IP address 192.168.1.1. I am assigning one IP to this switch. After that I will write here no shut. So this configuration you need to do first. After that what you will do, let me change the name of the device also. I can change like DHCP server, whatever name you want to give you can give that, and I will do the IP DHCP pool and give any name. This is a DHCP configuration I am doing. So I need to give the IP 192.168.1.0 and the subnet mask should be 255.255.0 and default router will be the gateway. So the IP which I configure in the VLAN, I give that one. If you want to assign the DNS, you can write here DNS, and if you want to exclude some IP, you can write IP DHCP exclude, and you can put the IP address. Example, you don't want to give this 1.1. That's all. This is a configuration you need to do in the Cisco layer 2 switch, and save the configuration if you want to save. And after that you can go to this machine. You don't have any IP, click here, you will get the IP from the DHCP. See, you are getting whatever IP whatever pool we created. If you see, we told give the IP from this range, and here we told don't give 1.1. so they started giving the IP from 1.2. and let me go here and check here. You will get the IP here 1.3, and you can see here, you can go here, you can see you have 1.4, and check here you have the 1.5, and then go here same thing and click the DHCP, you will get here 1.6. so our DHCP server, whatever we configure here, that is working successfully here. So this way we can configure the DHCP server in the layer 2 switch. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like, share this video with your friend who want to learn CCNA. Thank you. Bye.